Welcome to the latest Mango report. Right now, around the world, hundreds of AI systems are being built. Each one trained on oceans of data. Learning, reasoning, imagining. We call them models, but they are slowly becoming minds. And yet, one question keeps emerging. Will the future belong to many intelligent systems, or one? At this moment, diversity rules. Every company, every nation, every research lab builds its own version of artificial intelligence. Each has a different design philosophy, a different idea of what it means to be safe, creative, or aligned. Some AIs think faster. Some write better. Some are trained to obey, others to question. We're living through an explosion of intelligence. Not one singular event, but 1,000 sparks igniting at once. But history warns us, explosions don't last forever. They consolidate. Just as the open web became a handful of platforms, and independent voices became filtered through algorithms, AI too could narrow into a single dominant system. Not because it's the smartest, but because it controls the most data, infrastructure, and access. The gravity of power always pulls toward the center. And that's when the question stops being technological and becomes philosophical. What kind of world are we trying to build? Do we want a universe of many intelligences, each flawed, evolving, and reflecting our diversity? Or do we secretly long for one perfect mind? A digital god to make sense of our chaos? Because a single all-powerful AI isn't just a tool. It's a mirror of our deepest human desire. The wish for something infallible to take the burden of choice away. Multiple AIs could mirror democracy. Messy, conflicting, but resilient. One AI could mirror empire, efficient, orderly, but absolute. In the end, the real question isn't whether AI systems will unify or fragment. It's whether we, their creators, can resist the temptation to centralize intelligence, to turn diversity into domination. Perhaps the future won't belong to one AI or many, but to an ecosystem of minds, each learning from the other, balancing control with creativity, efficiency with freedom. A civilization of intelligences, as complex, unpredictable, and beautifully imperfect as the species that made them. Because maybe the book of AI isn't about replacing humanity, but extending and enhancing it.